After used to be a really muddy area with the soil applied like Gucci Tunnel, and used to be a big part of the area here during the Vietnam War. For example, is over there as a horseshoe hill with the Australian troops over there. And the locals here live simply with the rice paddies, but they don't use buffalo anymore for bluffing. They use machine. And they build a home village over there, the further 5 kilometers. They produce rice paper and also distillery rice wine, and also we have a trip to go to the ancient house was built nearly more than 150 years ago, and turn left in front for I think half an hour. That is a beautiful beach side, Long Hai, Long Phuoc beach. And from here to Barrier, it takes you very center. It takes you half an hour to Vũng Tàu beach. It's about more than 1 hour of driving. Back to Saigon, you just go ahead and turn right. It takes you 2 hours more. All right, here we go.